Welcome to Design Insanity Episode 1 by Coach Arushi Basu. You know what nobody tells young designers? The reason you're not getting good projects is not because your designs are not good. It's probably your communication. And I know it's very hard to hear because most of us spend a lifetime learning software skills, technical skills, learning how to make BOQs, aesthetics, designs, etc. But what nobody teaches us is how to speak to the client, how to make them trust you, how to share your ideas confidently, how to sound not so expensive but worth it even before sharing the quotation. And honestly, this one skill changes literally everything because there are designers out there charging almost 5x of what an average designer would charge, not because they are good at design, but because they are good at communication. When I was younger, I was an extremely underconfident child from Jaipur. I didn't know how to speak proper English. I was scared to present myself to the clients. I was scared to give presentations. I could never communicate my ideas properly. And very early in my career, which was a decade ago, I realized this that I need to work on this particular skill. I need to improve my presence in front of the client. And I took a personality development course, which completely changed my life. Sometimes it's not just about what you're saying, but also how you are saying that to the client. Now, clients are happy to pay me in 7 figures, but back in the day, I could barely touch 5 figures for a client and still feel scared to ask my fee. So, I actually took a personality development course and it completely changed how I attract clients, how I deal with them, how I close my meetings, and how I get these high paying projects. It taught me psychology, confidence, body language, and most importantly, how to make people believe in me. And genuinely, I can say this today about 80% of my clients convert into paying clients only because of this one particular skill. So, in this video, I'm going to share 2 or 3 uncommon things which are very tiny but makes a major difference. Number one, clients trust clarity more than creativity. Most young designers try to sound overly smart and overly complex. But premium clients, they don't want complicated. They want clarity. The more clearly and confidently you explain your idea, the more premium you appear. For example, if I want to say something about this particular remote, I have to explain in very, very easy English that this remote is white, it has these buttons. I can't say jargons like, oh, it's in the tone of grays or it has these different shades and stuff like that. Number two, and one of the most important things that gets missed out very easily, the number of questions you ask and the questions you ask decide how expensive you look. Most young designers make this mistake. They sit there and only answer questions, but very few know how to strategically ask questions also to the client. The moment you start asking them about their goals, functionality, user experience, timelines, psychology, clients stop seeing you like just a designer. They really start seeing you as a good consultant. And trust me on this, consultants just get paid more compared to when you're just called a designer. Number three, confidence is built before your meeting starts. People really think confidence is natural and it's not something that one can learn, but it really is not. Confidence comes from the amount of preparation that you've done before the meeting, amount of research about the client you've done before them. Confidence also comes by understanding the space and project pre-hand. It also comes by knowing your craft well. Confidence also comes by knowing your processes well. And most importantly, believing that your idea deserves space in the room and that you will get the project. And that's what builds confidence. And lastly, and most importantly, that I would like to end this YouTube video with, high paying clients, guys, are not buying design. They are buying certainty, leadership, peace of mind, and trust. And that's what makes people pay more. And this is exactly why I have opened up personalized mentorship slots for you all. Because I genuinely feel design schools always teach us how to design, but they miss out on teaching us how to survive, how to communicate, how to position ourselves and grow in real world. So if you are someone who feels talented but still feels stuck, maybe this is the missing piece of the puzzle. Comment below and my team will reach out to you. And like, share and subscribe Design Insanity by Coach Arushi Bafu.